Hi everyone, this is Shivangi and welcome back to the Daydream Project. In today's video, I'm going to show you my everyday makeup. This is what I do, guys, and it takes lesser than 10 minutes to do all of this. This look is actually perfect for office-going people who are short on time, or even college-going girls for that matter. I've also tried to keep this look drugstore, guys. All the links and the details will be in the description box below, so make sure that you go ahead and check it out once. Without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial now. The first thing that I do is I start with a clean moisturized face. I already have my moisturizer and sunscreen on, and then I start concealing certain darker areas of my face, like under my eyes and stuff. Today for that I'll be using L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I am in the shade 3.G/W. So the areas which I usually conceal are the areas around my eyes, and guys, make sure that the concealer which you're using is like an exact match of your skin tone. You don't want a shade lighter or darker because otherwise it will stand out. I actually blend my concealer with my fingers because when you blend any makeup product with your fingers, it gives you the best coverage, be it foundation or concealers. So I don't like to use any brush or a sponge or anything because sponge usually gives you the least amount of coverage. Right now I am looking for more coverage since I won't be using any foundation or BB creams or anything. I'm just dabbing the concealer with my fingers right now and blending it with the rest of my skin. To set the concealer, I'm going to use a compact, and today I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Compact in 225 Beige. You definitely want to use a compact which gives you a bit of coverage so that the skin looks one. Now the next thing which is extremely important for me is doing my eyebrows. Guys, no matter how less of time I have, I make sure that I always do my eyebrows and then leave the house because honestly they really do make a lot of difference. And for that today I'm using L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. So usually to make my eyebrows, I first brush them down so that I know what shape I need to draw and to fill them in basically. And then I start filling in all the gaps. Guys, honestly, this is the only thing which takes a bit of time for me to do. I think the rest of the things I can do under 5 minutes. Okay, once I've filled them, I kind of brush them once more just to be sure if there are any gaps which I've left. Okay, so this side is done and this side is yet to be done, and there is a hell lot of difference, guys. Alright guys, I'm done filling up my eyebrows, and for my everyday makeup, I don't exactly contour. Like, I don't use contouring products all over my face. However, I do always contour my cheekbones, and to do the same, I'm going to use my favorite Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. I'm going to contour my cheekbones very lightly, guys. Like, I'm not using a lot of product. That's it. The next thing that I do is use a blush. I like a little bit of flush on my cheeks. And for that today, I'm going to use Maybelline's Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. I really like this blush, guys. I think it is really beautiful and it is pocket friendly. This is kind of a perfect everyday blush. Once my blush is done, I usually take my compact again and I kind of apply it on the areas under my eyes just to make sure that it is well blended around there and it's not looking patchy or anything. Okay, I think this is good. Now eyes. For my eyes, guys, I usually just keep them nude. I don't apply any kind of eyeshadow, eyeliner. Sometimes I do apply kajal or eyeliner sometimes, but usually for my everyday makeup when I'm in a hurry, I don't apply anything, but I do use a volumizing mascara. And I'm going to use PAC Volume Blast Mascara. Guys, I have been obsessing over this mascara recently. This is the only mascara which I've been using. I think it gives a lot of volume and length to the lashes. Can you see the difference? This mascara is really good, guys. You can use any mascara of your choice, guys. If you want, you can apply your kajal, your eyeliner, depending on what you like. Alright, so one layer of mascara is done. I actually top it up with one more layer. Basically, I apply 2 layers of mascara. And guys, whenever you're applying mascara, you brush it towards your nose, your eyelashes basically. That kind of gives a lot of length to your lashes. So you first brush it towards your nose and then you brush it in their natural direction. Okay guys, the second last step is the highlighter which I use. I don't highlight my face too much. I do not highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, but I do highlight my cheekbones and my chin. For that, I will be using Wet n Wild's Blossom Glow highlighter. I really like this highlighter, guys. I think it's a good drugstore highlighter, gives a lot of glow. You can build it up as much as you want. Okay, so first my cheekbones. I actually really like the fact that this is slightly pink, so it gives a very natural glow to your skin. And just a little bit on my chin. I usually avoid my nose while I'm doing this kind of makeup because it doesn't look too flattering in the daylight, guys. Like if you don't have a full face on, nose highlighting for me just doesn't look that flattering. Okay, and we are almost done. Now we just have to do the lip color. I honestly don't just stick to any particular color scheme when it comes to lip colors, guys. I sometimes use a bold lip color, I sometimes use a nude lip color. It totally depends on my mood, honestly. But for today's video, I'm going to use my Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. And that's about it, guys. So this is my everyday makeup which I do within 10 minutes. It's super quick, super easy. This kind of look looks nice and beautiful on everyone, I feel. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, then please do. I post a lot of updates about makeup and upcoming videos. If at all you want, you can go ahead and follow me there as well. And if you do like this video, then make sure that you give it a like and you subscribe to this channel, guys. We have a lot of fun things coming up, so make sure that you subscribe and you stay tuned. On that note, I'm signing off for now. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.